crossed a line or two.
Besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering, no, yes, what? I still wear glasses. I got out of the shower, did my body care, skincare, hair, and I just haven't put them back on yet. So that's why we're starting the video with no glasses and we're doing our makeup. So it really wouldn't make sense to put glasses on. Not that any of you actually cared, to be quite honest. Like, nobody was asking. Nobody was wondering. I love giving information that is not needed. It's like my telltale. Anyways, today we're going to be doing a little no makeup, clean girl aesthetic tutorial. We'll see how it goes. I am really channeling the hair, you know, the little slick back bun. In my defense, if this isn't perfect, I am very much a Serena van der Woodsen messy bitch, okay? Like, this isn't my, like, normal aesthetic. I do wear, like, all black. Nudes aren't really... I own some nude things, but, like, I like to be fun and chaotic. You know, I'm very much a chaotic neutral girly, so this will be interesting. My sponge is still wet from yesterday. And, okay. The first thing we're going to go in with is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, because how else would you look like a clean girl? Also, no makeup. Also, I have had this one so long that, like, the whatchamanuts is, like, the logo is coming off. I probably need a new one, but product is still coming out, so that's a win. I feel like also a lot of clean makeup girlies really like use brushes and stuff. I don't know, brushes have had a resurgence in the makeup community. However, I have literally the world's driest skin. Then I'm gonna go in with this. It's not technically a concealer, I don't think. It's the Huda Beauty Glow Wish. Focus! It's so dark I can't even see it. This is mostly just like a brightener. But it will cover up my under eyes, which is what we need. Because last week at work was, I'm not even going to talk about it, violently awful. But I'm getting ready today. Me and Miguel are doing our, like, Sunday fun day errands. However, I am going to go with my Sephora powder. This shit, this is the one. This brush looks perfect for it, actually. Fun fact, girlies, you need one of these, a dry brush cleaner. Now, this doesn't mean you don't have to deep clean your brushes, but I'm not gonna say anything about that because, besties, I ain't the one. Ain't the one. Now, I will say, the no makeup girlies wear a lot more makeup than you think they're wearing. But I'm gonna go in with this brush and just kind of stamp it over where we put the concealer. Just to set it. We don't want any creasing. And while this is gonna be like a dewy look, like, I still want it to stay. I usually only powder my under eyes and, like, my T-zone. Everything else needs to glow like the gods, okay? Okay, let's get into face. And one thing about me is I love cream. Today, though, I'm gonna go in with my Glossier, I don't know what this is even called. Solar Paint in Ray. Y'all, if you're ever watching me do makeup or, like, explain things, I'm like, I don't know what color this is. I don't know, like, I'm literally blind. We're just gonna go in like this. I like to cut high on my cheeks. I would say maybe normally people would go here. I go a little higher because I have a really round face and it's just not... I also have no jaw, so I really like to carve it out. I mean, I have a jaw, but like barely. So we're just gonna go in with the Booty Blender. Just blend it out. God, I used this blush yesterday, and it's from a new blush palette I got because I feel like I don't own enough powder blushes. Oh my god, it was so good. It was like the perfect... I put way too much down here. Blush. I'm gonna go in with this NARS, I think it's an Orgasm. Yeah, liquid blush. I really love this one. It's really buildable. It's like a watery consistency. You can really use a lot, and it'll really blend out nicely without looking like crazy, you know, because that's not what we want. And I'm gonna go back in with my Booty Blender. See, look, it just gives like color but nothing crazy. And did you see how quick that blended out? I couldn't even edit that if I tried. Like, it just is crazy. I'm gonna go in and add a little more because I'm like a blush whore. This was my go-to like summer shade, this blush. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna go with powder. This may not be a natural girly powder. Why am I running out of battery, bestie? I just charged you. Anyways, this is the Rare Beauty. And I just take a little right here. Like, look at that. Ah, stunning. A little on the nose. And then I'm just going to put a little in the inner corner of my eye. Stunning. Don't worry though, we're almost done, so hopefully my battery will last. For eyebrows, I'm not actually going to do them. I'm just going to go through them with my Too Faced brow wig and kind of fluff them a little, you know. And then we're going to go in with mascara. I like the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. It's my fave. I'm going to curl the lashes. I want to get a brow mascara. I think that looks so good with my blue eyes, but I just haven't gotten one yet. I haven't been in a mascara kick recently, so, you know, to each their own. I'm just going to put a light layer of mascara because my lashes suck to fucking begin with.